Hi, my name is Jason Munivong, and today we're covering persona-based data-driven device refresh. Organizations need to ensure that they provide appropriately sized devices to their users while also managing costs effectively. When managing devices, it's essential to tailor resources to user needs, ensure devices are the right fit, and use real-time data to guide decisions on upgrades and device investments. The 1E device refresh solution provides organizations with the benefits of aligning devices with role-specific needs to avoid unnecessary spending while enhancing employee satisfaction. Organizations can analyze this data to help improve their device refresh processes. IT already provides personalized services to different groups of the businesses. For example, the HR departments utilize HR-related software and wouldn't have a need for manufacturing applications on their devices. Companies have a harder time understanding if the client devices given to the employees are right-sized. There are often complaints, my laptop is too weak, or I need a more powerful device. Then you have the silent sufferers, people who try to do their jobs to the best of their abilities and suffer through the pains of a device that isn't right-sized for the job functions. IT departments face the challenge of answering the question, are employees able to fulfill their job duties with these devices? When we look at the device refresh dashboard, you're able to see the status of the devices, location, manufacturer, and departments. In this example, I'll focus on the engineering group and finance group. When I target the engineering group and select the status of reassign, I'm able to see all the devices that are in the reassign status. If I drill down even more to focus on Microsoft Surface Pro 5, I notice 8 machines in reassigned status. I'm able to see these devices have 16 gigs of memory, and if I drill down to a specific device, I see that this device has 97 reassigned events. If I investigate the 97 reassigned events, I notice there are a lot of high memory usage. Perhaps this device is not fit for engineering since it only has 16 gigs of memory, or the engineer has outgrown it. How am I able to verify? If I go back to the dashboard, select the finance department, and then select retain, I'm able to see the majority of the devices have about 16 gigs of memory, and when I drill down to a specific model, I'm able to see there are no events for the device. I should be able to reassign all the engineering Surface Pro 5 devices to the employees in the finance department, whose original devices have less than 16 gigs of RAM. I'll most likely target those end users who have 4 gigs of RAM. Based on the investigation I performed earlier, the end user should be able to run their applications and perform their duties properly with their new reassigned devices. In the end, I've saved money by not having to purchase devices for both departments by repurposing devices to a different department. There may have been silent sufferers using devices that only had 4 gigs of RAM, and perhaps I've increased their productivity as well as employee satisfaction.